back to your girl Tiona in the house. So guys, now I just did my blended green seasoning, all right, and I have the bowl leave over, so I'm not gonna wash out that just yet, and also the container I'm gonna wash it out. Our cold food, right? So we pour it in here. So I wash it already with vinegar. And with the container now, we just shake it out with the water. Alright, and I go pour it over it. Can get about 2 tablespoons or more. But I don't want to throw away the goodness. It smells so good. Alright, now guys, we're just gonna add some simple seasoning, alright? Some black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, about a tablespoon, that amount, some soya sauce, and some browning. Oh, browning done. That's it, guys. Alright, we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Put about 1-2 teaspoons olive oil. Alright. Because guys, the blended season have ginger, parsley, thyme, cilantro, scotch bonnet pepper, and the whole shebang there, alright? So I'm not gonna put all of that again. Onion and everything. Alright, now I put on a glove and we're just gonna mix up everything. I'm gonna let this marinate for overnight. Alright, come back and pressure it in the morning. Something like that. You can cut up one fresh onion, but I'll do that tomorrow. I'll cut up one fresh onion when I'm frying it up. Alright guys, overnight that settle, we're gonna add some olive oil here, about 2 tablespoons. Some garlic. Alright guys, we're just gonna throw out everything. Ooh, look at the goodness. Everything. Alright, we're gonna fry up this a little bit and then we're gonna pressure it. Alright, oh, this is a long bone. Long bone. Cow foot and butter bean. So put some, you can use broad bean guys, but I don't have none, so we're gonna use butter bean. We're gonna put some water to boil, let this fry up for a few minutes, and we're gonna pressure it until it's soft. Then you can even pressure it for overnight and come back tomorrow and add your vegetable and them something there. Or you can do it in one day. It's up to you. Now we're gonna put some water, boiling water. Put a lot. Alright. Make sure I cover. Because cold food tough, you see. So we're gonna pressure it. We're gonna pressure this for about 45 minutes. And if you want more time, we'll put it. Alright. Alright my peeps, I'm back, and guys, I pressure it for 45 minutes and then you never pressure. I put it back again for another half an hour. Alright, and this is how it's looking. Really soft. Look, ooh. Oh my. And guys, some of my bone them fall off. Oh boy. So like these few pieces I can take out these. Alright. Now my peeps, we're just gonna season it up. We already have it seasoning, it tastes so good. So we're gonna add butter bean and some vegetable. Here I have bell peppers, onion, one more onion, carrots, scallion. We're just gonna pour it over here. You don't have to make it overcooked like this, you know guys, but these I'm just gonna maybe 5-7 minutes, 10 minutes tops, and it should be off. All right. This bean easily to cook. What you call it? Dry. They call it dry lima beans, but we call it butter bean. All right. So I'm not gonna put it yet. About 5-7 minutes when this starts simmer down, then I'm gonna add the beans. I think I want to put like 1/4 cup of water, not much, because I don't want it to have too much water, because it takes too long to dry out. All right guys, I put 1 Maggi cube. I'm gonna cover this bad boy for about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna add my beans, stir it up, and it's all good. Oh, I should add a little bit of ketchup, eh? A little bit of ketchup. Pass the ketchup. Let me just put 2 tablespoons of ketchup. 1, 2. All right. I don't put much water, guys, because it takes long to dry out. I'll be. All right, guys. So halfway through, well, 5-7 minutes. This is how it's looking. Now we're gonna add the beans, because you know the thing's soft already, so you don't want it really mash out too much. At this time, we're just gonna give it a little stir. Alright, gonna let this cook down for about 7 to 10 minutes, and it should be done. Alright guys, the stove is off, and this is it, thick and nice. Oh my god, my husband say I gravy, I go nice. Alright guys, you can eat this with anything you want. Some plain rice and peas, mashed potato salad. You can eat it with some cornmeal dumpling. And this is it guys. This is my Jamaican cow cut with butter bean and veg. Soft. Look guys. Look at it. Ooh. My mama always said, this have the gumption, this have the glamity, the gum. Look at guys. Ooh, look at this, how soft. Ooh. I gotta taste it guys. Whoa, you can't wait. Look at it. My husband is here guys, he's gonna enjoy it. Oh, so soft. This calls for some rice and peas, eh? Delicious. All right guys, this is it. Please, whatever it is, when I'm sharing it out, I'll come back and show you. I'll show you the dish. So this is it guys. All right my peeps, you see I thick up. Ooh. I have some rice here. Ooh. Vegetable. And there you have it guys. This is make that, you know. Much gravy. All right guys, I'm gonna clean up the plate after, so just let's put some cucumber and and tomato. Alright my peeps, and this is it. This is my Jamaican cow foot with butter bean and some plain rice. Alright. Alright guys, love upon me and I love upon you, and that's how it's looking, and that's the rest over there. Alright guys, you have a good day. Bye guys. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm gonna taste it for you, show you how soft it is. So good. Guys, when you're done, your mouth can't go glam up. On your hand. Bye guys. These are the strong back. Put them on them back also. Alright guys. Bye guys.